Looking for new breakfast ideas? Watch this video for my version of a green shakshuka. For the best meal planning tips and to be notified when I post a new video every Tuesday, hit the bell to subscribe. Hey meal preppers, it's Allison, Prep Dish founder, here to help you create a healthier, happier mealtime. I've been developing recipes for years for my thousands of meal plan subscribers, but this particular recipe is one of my personal favorites, so I just had to share it with all of you. I hope you enjoy it as much as I do. A traditional shakshuka recipe is eggs baked in a spicy marinara sauce. Today's recipe mixes things up by having a green instead of a red base. Let's jump straight into the recipe for my green shakshuka. Start by sauteing chopped onion, garlic, and jalapeno in 1 tablespoon olive oil for approximately 7 minutes. Then add 1 bag of baby spinach. Cover and cook for 2 to 3 minutes or until the spinach wilts. Stir and season with salt and pepper. Make a nest for your eggs and add 6 eggs. Cover and cook for 3 to 4 minutes. Top with 4 ounces of crumbled feta and fresh chopped cilantro and basil, and season to taste with salt and pepper. A few notes on this recipe. I like to serve with a side of roasted potatoes, but if you're looking for a low-carb breakfast idea or a keto breakfast, then just serve as is. For those of you that watch my channel regularly, you know that I'm a fan of meal prep. So if you want to make this a meal prep breakfast, simply chop your veggies and herbs ahead of time. Then at breakfast, the whole thing comes together in about 10 minutes. I just love the ease of a meal prep breakfast. While the thing I love most about this recipe is the flavor, do not skip those fresh herbs. It is also a great recipe if you're cooking for different dietary needs. If you're needing a low-carb breakfast, keto breakfast, vegetarian breakfast, gluten-free breakfast, paleo, Whole30, you get the idea. This recipe fits the bill. Just be sure to omit the cheese for Whole30 or vegan. It is also just a tasty way to fit in more vegetables at breakfast. And while shakshuka is traditionally a healthy breakfast recipe, I like serving it as a breakfast for dinner option as well. I've linked the full recipe below, but if you're looking for weekly prep ahead breakfast ideas and recipes, you'll want to check out my Done For You meal plans. Each week I have a new breakfast recipe. You can choose from gluten-free, paleo, or keto. I have a link below for a free 2-week trial. Now I want to hear from you. What is your favorite vegetables for breakfast recipe? Let me know in the comments below. And don't forget about my Done For You meal plans. Each week includes a make-ahead breakfast. Check out the link for the 2-week free trial below. If this video is helpful, please subscribe, share with a friend, and hit that like button so I know to make more videos like this. See you in the next one.